I was fast because I knew it was you. I was like, I gotta go help my Autozone friend.
Man,
Yeah.
you was here the last time.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's right.
Look, you know what? Let me tell you what I think happened.
What happened?
I'm coming down Wayside, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday when I got to work. And it's the, you know, the milk place in the street?
Yeah.
For the home?
Yeah.
So on the end of it, I noticed that for the last few months.
Yeah.
The end of it's kind of turned up, and I kind of went and I heard a flute. I said, I bet you when I hit that, it punctured a hole in my tire.
Oh, for sure. Yeah. Especially all that construction, everything, it'd be messing up all the cars.
For some months, why they hadn't covered it up with a whatchamacallit?
I know that's right. You have the leak.
Yeah, I got it.
The leak, the lock, key lock. Back again, and you're on your way to work?
I like you. What's your name again?
Edward.
Edward.
Yeah, Edward.
I'm Kim, Edward. Good to see you again. Man, you fast.
Yeah? Fast Eddie.
Fast Eddie.
Fast Eddie.
Man, I done backed up. I don't know, can you let me above so we can get the dummy tire?
Does it pop up?
Yeah. Just open it.
Okay, we're good there.
Yeah, but I think when I hit that, I think I punched my tire.
Just pop this?
Okay, but
Yeah.
your hand is right there by it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Press the button or what?
No, just pull it up.
Okay.
You got it?
There you go. All right.
It's up under that thing like last time.
Helping out this repeated customer.
I'm on this side. Yeah, there you go.
We're back here again.
Back here. See if that's what if it's a nail, but when I hit that, I think.
Yeah. Ugh.
I thought
I had a feeling when I was turning on the street, I recognized the area. I was like, I had a feeling it was gonna be you again.
okay.
Yeah. Ain't no wrong with that.
Yeah, you pretty fast. You stay
Give me a review. Tell them if they call you the dispatch or
I
the.
did it last time.
Yeah, tell them. Oh, he's fantastic. You know.
Yep. I did it last time for you.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
So I make sure.
Huh?
No, this link
Okay.
that they sent me. This 803-675-7484. Or just maybe just confirm the location. Wait a minute, hold on.
You got a bad thread right here too. Right here.
Uh-oh.
This is a bad thread. It's bad.
Dang it.
See? Yeah, it's bad.
Like I need anything else to happen.
Yeah, it's bad. Just letting you know.
Yeah, I appreciate you telling me.
Yeah, all of them went good. Just not this one.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, no. Oh, shit.
Yeah, that one's bad.
It rolled up.
I get it.
Sorry about that. Thank you.
All right, I'm gonna drop it down. All right, be careful. You're good to go now.
You don't have
So
to
like
put
that.
no air like
Nah.
you did the last time, huh?
Nuh-uh, you good.
Okay.
You're good to go, just like that. No problem.
Thank you again for being so fast.
I'm gonna just take some pictures and I'll be out your way, all right?
Huh?
I'm gonna just take some pictures and be out your way. You have a great day at work, all right? Try to meet your goal and sell a lot of parts at Autozone.
Okay. Let me know when I'll be out here. So like if you know what?
Yeah.
Deliver these parts.
All right, no problem. Have a great day.
You too.
All right.